23 fashions, and today's our video is on different type of silk sarees.
An easy guide to identify different silk sarees and the ones that are in trend.
With this video you can choose your silk saree in the right type. So Aarti, let's check out the 9 different types of silk sarees.
Silk sarees are considered to be heavy and rich for occasions, but there are blends which make it appropriate to wear at festivals and parties.
So here are the sarees in silk for any occasion to any purpose. All the pure silk sarees we have are certified by Silk Mark India.
Banarasi silk sarees are widely known for its pure zari weave, and it has motifs in intricate paisley borders and chala borders to jal weave.
Yeah, it has golden borders on the edges and heavy pallu like this.
Yes, these designs are inspired from the Mughal era, which gives an ancient feeling, and it has a lot of zari covered all over, showing very good heavy borders.
Paithani silk sarees are found to be heavy silk sarees from its woven place pattern. It is identified by its 2-color silk threads, and the pallu are usually all in gold with peacock motifs.
Yeah, these are conscious effect with warp and weft threads which have contrast colors, and you can see dotted effect all over the saree.
These are the traditional sarees of Maharashtrians found in numerous hues.
This saree is a pure silk saree that's woven in Kanchipuram.
Yeah, the Banarasi saree of the south.
Yes, the motifs of this saree helps to differentiate this saree from other sarees. There is a temple border, which you can see here, and there is always a zigzag border which differentiates the whole saree from the pallu section. This is always in a contrast border effect, which is a lighter shade and a darker shade, or you always have a golden border on the edges.
And there are many others like Baluchari silk, which is a Bengali saree with heavy zari and mythological motifs. But now let's move on not so heavy silk sarees. Raw silks are very rich and looks very elegant and fashionable.
These are light in weight and very easy to carry. These are also made from short yarns of silk, which is wild silk, and they give a lot of softness and luster. Which in ancient times were only worn by the wealthy people.
Yeah, they are woven in Patan, Gujarat, so it earned its name as a Patola silk.
This double ikat weave sarees of silk yarns has traditional motifs. As you can see, it is all over the saree, and the borders in zari weave.
Yeah, and a version of velvet Patola is made in Surat as well. Bandhani silk sarees are traditional and evergreen piece of elegant sarees.
Not to mention how lightweight they are, and their lustrous is fabulous. This charming technique of bandhani, which is very remarkable.
Yeah, they have zari borders in warp and weft, and heavy zari borders on the pallu side too.
These are made from short yarns and are very soft silks. Another semi-silk sarees that we all love are the Bhavanpuri silk sarees. These are also known as the Tasha silk sarees.
Yeah, these are inexpensive and looks very stylish.
These are made from wild silk. There are short yarns which are collected from Jharkhand. They have this deep glaze of golden which gives instant glow.
Here it is mixed with zari, adding fashion and style. Also very in. They can be worn at any professional event, to workwear and occasions.
Cotton silk sarees are very convenient and a must-have in every woman's wardrobe.
Yeah, cotton silk sarees are the mixture of cotton yarn and silk yarn and warp and weft. These sarees are made formal in prints and heavier in embroidered borders.
that is Kora, and silk yarns. Together they create this beautiful, lightweight and inexpensive sari for occasions and formal events.
Yeah, I love the cotton yarn motifs which are visible here.
Yes, this sari is made transparent because of the silk yarns, and this has less luster for people who like minimal luster.
Now you can identify the difference between these 9 silk sarees to shop your choice. All these sarees are available on our website and our G3 stores.
Catch you next time on our channel, and please do subscribe. Also follow us on Facebook.
Thank you for watching and do hit the like button.
For further query, mail us on customercare@g3fashions.in.